Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. That's all you guys getting this morning from babe. 2 fingers.
Hi guys, I'm like Tyler, I don't say yes or no, I say that though.
These are these. Ty, can you say morning to the faves? Yes, you guys. We are up and about. Your girl have on makeup today.
Nice on the side.
Full face beats today, shawty. Babe say, honey, what's going on? Geez, 27 degrees. Phew. I tell babe I'm practicing my makeup for our photo shoot, our baby photo shoot coming up in a month or so. But yeah, it's a beautiful day out. It's hot. It's very hot. It feels really good. You don't need any jacket. I'm sure babe gonna probably pull up his long sleeve as soon as we get out of the car. But it's Sunday and we're out in the streets going to meet up with some of our friends to have lunch, and then we should have a few more things to do throughout the day, but let's see, because the big street, the promenade, is closed today because I think the Chinese president is staying somewhere on that street, so they block the street, so it's kind of difficult for us to move around down in that area, and we're supposed to see Jen today, so I don't know how that's gonna go, but let's see how it will work out. We'll find a way, I'm sure. But anyway, we're good. As you guys can see, we're good. Baby girl is good. She's here chilling. I'll show you guys my outfit when I get out of the car, but right now we're heading to have lunch. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and turn on the notification bell, okay? And give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna enjoy this beautiful day. We have Tyler bike in the back because we're going along the beach. That way he can probably take a little ride out or whatever the case may be. He woke up early this morning, so I think he's about to take a little cat nap, but that's okay. He have 12 minutes to do so before we reach. Anyway, you guys, we love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in the next clip. You guys, we reach our destination and there's so much, and next time later, can you believe that people on the beach tanning? Look, people tanning right here. Show you how nice it feels outside, but I didn't believe that we'd actually have people tanning though. But it feels really good, and there's lots of people out jogging. But it's a perfect time to eat lunch out. Lots of kids riding their bikes. And Tyler had his bike, but he left it in the car, so that's for our next day or later. Now he wish he didn't leave it. But when you don't listen to mama, that's what happened. You want your bike? You can't go to the car for it right now. We're too far away from the car. So, tough luck. You want to what? So play now?
No, because with more ties.
You have one car in your hand, and there's another one here.
Oh, no.
I promised them that I would show them on my outfit of the day.
Oh, nice under the palm tree. I said nice under the palm tree. I can just take a pictures. That would be wonderful picture.
A baby mama outfit of the
Give me
day.
your phone.
Romper and my little wedgie. Take a picture of me, please. You guys, we're sitting on the beach waiting for our friends to arrive because they have, I don't think they've reached here yet. And then there's so many restaurants along this beach, we're just gonna have to choose one and go to for lunch. But yeah, we're just here. Chala is in the stone plane. What's he doing? We surely shall get a tan before we leave here. You gonna look like a lobster.
Yeah.
Then I'm just gonna be roasted. Have passed lobster stage. Long time. I'm at the roasting stage right now, okay?
The brownie?
Yeah.
I can't keep my eyes open.
Sorry, you don't like to wear sunglasses. I don't know why.
Sunglasses with test.
Yeah, but the one that you did before you say hurt your eyes.
Yeah, because it's not adapted yet.
Yet? Look how long you had it.
Anymore. I mean, my eyes change.
The snack until the crepe comes.
Il y a le Mont Ventoux.
Dès que tu sors, voilà, c'est pas Carpentras même ou Avignon même, dès que tu commences à...
Tu sais, on est venu par le Luberon. On a fait Avignon, on a fait. Allez, je prends de l'Olivette. Manos.
C'est quoi le destin?
C'est vraiment.
Tella's having crepe Nutella. Okay, so we're having what is called galette for lunch, and this is galette curry. Yummy. What is under your egg? Meat?
Surprise.
I'm still hungry.
You still hungry? You want some of Mama own?
Because I want the egg.
Do you want egg? Okay, Papa have egg over there.
No, I can eventually take.
Oh, Christian having the salmon.
I can take.
D'ici, je crois.
Non. Macon.
Macon.
It's yummy?
Ouais.
Yummy, Tay?
Je l'avais eu
Yeah.
au téléphone, il était assez député.
Ah ouais?
Voilà. Bah, le changement de directeur, il a fait du mal. Tu veux quoi, toi?
Let's go look at the flavors that they have on this side. You say you want strawberry?
Yeah.
This one? This red one?
Yeah.
Ah mais même si non mais vous voulez compter en deux boules si vous voulez, c'est juste la quantité.
C'est quoi, c'est framboise?
Okay. Mama is trying to figure out which one she wants. But
What do you want?
I think I am going to have pistachio. Or maybe not. Alors, pour le petit, je veux comme ça, avec le rouge.
Ça va?
Oui.
Framboise.
That's the one you want? Okay.
Bon après-midi.
Tu dis quoi? What do you say? Et pour moi, le blonde avec pistache et ananas.
Ananas.
Eh,
Where is ananas?
the yellow one, maybe. This one right here. Voila. Papa will get his after, okay? You want me to keep your glasses for you while you eat with your 2 hands?
Voilà.
Ah, c'est combien?
6,50 €.
6,50 €. It's yummy? Oh, merci. Come, let's go.
Alors, moi je vais prendre un pot s'il vous plaît.
It's yummy? Yeah. That's the one you wanted? Come, let's go find Papa. We got our ice cream. Come on. Look. Look, Ty, here. Look in the camera. Come in. No, Papa is up there. Hold it with your 2 hands. You have to eat it or it's gonna start melting. Go. Wanna taste Mama own?
Wow.
It's yummy. You guys, what happened to my dress? Look at all these bumps. 1, 2 poking out. You guys, we have been back home. We have been back home for a while now, and geez, so much happened since the last clip. Thai, what we ordered for Thai at the restaurant, they had too much chocolate on it and he just vomited all up. But after that he was okay. We ordered potato after that and he had a potato and he was fine. And then we take our little walk with our friends until we went our separate ways. We
Mama?
yes baby, what when Mama is talking, what you supposed to say?
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes baby.
I want to make a nice crab here.
Yes, you and Mama and Papa gonna make nice skirt because what they gave you at the restaurant wasn't good, right?
Yeah.
Right. I'm sorry about that, okay? You guys know he loves crepe and we ordered crepe for him and it was more chocolate than crepe and he hates things when it's mushy and he hates things when it has sauce on it. He's just not a fan, so that didn't work out well. But at the end of the day we ordered something else and he ate that fine after, so you know that it's not that he's sick, he's just really what he ate. Yeah, we came home. We attempted to go to Jen's house, but we had to turn back and take a long route home and didn't get to go to Jen's house because the Chinese president is staying on the promenade like I told you guys this morning, and it was blocked. There is no way we could get to her, so Jen had to come to us. So Jen was here and she had a blast. She's leaving for a while, won't see her like for a month, so she come to spend some time with Ty. So she come to spend some time with us and with Tyler and see just see Ty and stuff before she go. Yeah, so that's what we've been doing. And right now, as you guys can hear, my pressure cooker is going right now because I'm hungry. I'm making dinner, and for some reason I feel for rice and peas. I know it's gonna take a while for my peas to cook, maybe like 30 minutes, but that's okay. I'll wait on it. Baby's just laying down. I think he's probably fall asleep by now because he's having a headache. So he is laying down for a while. So I'm just here chilling, cooking, and Tyler is there playing his Lego. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Mama. You're playing your Lego? You're having fun? Yes. He's building these things all by himself. Everything that you see in front of him, he look in the book, in the instruction, and see what he needs and where to go where, and build them all by himself. This kid is just amazing. So yeah, that's what's up right now, and yeah, I'm cooking rice and peas and curry chicken wings for dinner. So that's what's on the menu for today. Dinner finished cooking, and there goes my curry wings, and I used my rice cooker for the first time. Ta-da! Babe can't tell me that I burned half of the rice this time. So there we go. Rice looks shelly and look yummy. Yes. Goes dinner. Tyler ate already because I couldn't wait on this to cook, so I had to find something else to give him. If you guys wondering what kind of sauce I use, this is my really go-to simple sauce of vegetables. I'm really trying to make an effort to add vegetable in now that I'm not doing too bad. And in this sauce I have mayonnaise, ketchup, vinegar, and a little sugar, and that's my sauce, and it's really good. So there goes dinner. Babe, no, that's mine, and that's babe. Down.
Oui, un cahier. Oui, de la peinture. Oui, un pinceau. Oui, un dessin. Oui, un livre. Oui, des coussins. Oui, un toboggan. Oui, un ballon. Et un tablier. Bravo!
Alright, the notification shout out now.
I want to make a salad so good.
Nicolette,
Nicola,
Briscoe, Sterling,
13,
and
and
wait, I'll tell you who is the next person.
the fish got me in this.
Wait, I'm gonna show you. And good as Beckford.
Good as big food, but Mama.
Yes.
Where's the first girl?
Okay. Let me show you the first girl. She.
It's her.
Yes. Yeah.
And the second girl.
The second girl don't have any picture. Okay?
But where's the second girl? Where's the second girl?
I can't find it again. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
The next girl.
Anyway, you guys, there you have notification shout out. I'm going to wipe this makeup off my face, and I am going to rest for the rest of the night. Maybe watch some movie with babe and stuff like that. Honey, come, let's end the vlog. Anyway, you guys, stop doing that.
I look extra white on the light.
Mama,
Anyway, you guys, yes,
it's a tunnel.
it's a thumbnail. All right, go under
Can
it.
you do that, please?
Okay.
Close the tunnel.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Tell Faves bye. Tell Faves bye.
Dis au revoir aussi,
Tell
papa qui va
Faves
gagner.
bye.
Au revoir, c'est papa, il a gagné.
And baby girl is here. She said bye too. C'est pas fait.
Dis au revoir sinon tu as perdu.
He's gone.